Ever questioned why rainbows appear to vanish as you approach them? You're not alone. Rainbows have perplexed people for centuries, leading to fascinating tales and beliefs. Some consider rainbows as mystical bridges or symbols of good fortune. However, the actual tale of is rooted in scientific principles. Rainbows are indeed illusions. They're the result of an enchanting playtime between light and water. When the sunlight decides to frolic with rain droplets, the light performs a dance, bending and twisting, and voila! A mesmerizing rainbow emerges. However, much like a timid friend, it fades away as soon as you attempt to approach it. But don't be disheartened, the rainbow remains there, even if it's of your reach. Isn't it astounding how nature has its own set of scientific wonders masked as magical tricks? Rainbows represent the captivating blend of physics and weather. They materialize when sunlight and rain combine in a specific manner. Imagine the sunlight as a swift runner who slows down when he dives into a swimming pool full of raindrops. Upon diving in, our runner bends, or in scientific terms, refracts. Now, envision the sunlight as a vibrant superhero whose cloak is composed of numerous colors. As this hero enters the raindrop pool, his colorful cloak fragments. This happens because light, like our hero, decelerates in water, and each color in his cloak slows down at a different pace. This results in the colors spreading out, similar to runners in a race. This marvelous display occurs when the sun is teasing the horizon, mostly in the early hours of the morning or late afternoon. To witness this, you need to observe the rain with the sun situated behind you, similar to watching a film with the projector at your back. The sunlight races through the raindrops, bending and rebounding back towards you. As our hero, the sunlight, exits the raindrop pool, he slows down once more, making an impressive exit by flaunting his colorful cloak, and there it is. That's our stunning rainbow. However, bear in mind, each person's rainbow is slightly unique because it's all reliant on where position of the sun and the location of the raindrops. Consequently, every time you spot a rainbow, it's as if you've secured a VIP seat to nature's breathtaking magic show. What causes a rainbow to take on those vibrant hues? You might be curious. The magic lies in an intricate minuet between sunlight and droplets of rain. Envision sunlight as marshmallows, fluffy and pure. When sunlight, our metaphorical marshmallow, passes through a droplet of rain, it refracts, shifts direction, and there you have it. A splendid spectrum of 7 colors. A rainbow. The reason why rainbows showcase these particular colors is related to the spectrum of light that is visible to our eyes and how sunlight interacts with a raindrop. The refraction of sunlight leads to a dazzling display of 7 colors. Picture the colors in a rainbow like keys on a piano, each key symbolizing a distinct wavelength of light. Now visualize a rainbow as a collection of crayons. The red crayon in the set is striking and radiant, and it possesses the longest wavelength among all vigor and bravery, akin to drawing a massive scarlet fire truck. At the other extreme we have our violet crayon. It's unique, akin to a blueberry. With the shortest wavelength you draw a minuscule insect. This hue often signifies creativity and spiritual depth. In the midst of our red fire truck and blueberry insect, we have a whole assortment of crayons, each with their exclusive wavelengths and symbolisms. Orange is like an invigorating sunrise, representing enthusiasm and resolve. Yellow is akin to a sunny day, expressing joy and splendor. Green is like a lush tree, conveying growth and tranquility. Blue is reminiscent of a serene lake, indicating trust and stability. And indigo, like the nocturnal sky, often symbolizes intuition and enlightenment. So the time a rainbow graces your view, think of it as a grand set of colorful crayons. Each hue, with its distinct wavelength, is akin to a different sketch waiting to be brought to life. Embarking on an interesting journey into the realm of rainbows? Let's kickstart with an entertaining quiz. First question: true or false? All viewers see the exact same rainbow. Answer: false. Astonished, aren't you? Every viewer perceives a unique rainbow, thanks to the sunlight and droplets that interact at varying angles. Proceeding with a tricky riddle, have you ever thought that rainbows could be circular? This is actually true. Most of the time we merely observe a segment of it since terrain acts as a barrier, obstructing our line of sight. However, when you are airborne or ascending a mountain, you might just catch this splendid circular spectacle of colors. Time for some intriguing trivia. Did you know rainbows say hello to double rainbows? The faint, reserved one that lingers above the pronounced one appears when sunlight decides to interact, not once but twice, with the raindrops. The catch? This reticent twin emulates everything in reverse, almost like the main rainbow mirrored. Did you know that rainbows are quite the globetrotters? They aren't confined to our planet alone. Wherever there's sunlight and droplets of water, even on other celestial bodies or distant galaxies, there's a possibility for a rainbow to occur. It's tale-telling time. Rainbows with their mesmerizing allure have earned a spot in numerous cultural myths across the globe. In Hawaii, a rainbow serves as for spirits to ascend to celestial realms. Ireland has completely different tale to tell. They believe that mischievous leprechauns stash away pots of gold at the end of the rainbow. Christianity perceives the rainbow as a heavenly symbol of affection and assurance. To conclude, we present a dash of history and creativity for you. Were you aware that rainbows have been icons of tranquility, camaraderie, optimism, and diversity since ancient times and continue to be so even today? The Greeks envisioned them as pathways constructed by messengers bridging earth and heaven, while in the present day, they stimulate and ignite our creativity. So, the next time you catch sight of a rainbow, bear in mind, it's more than just an optical and meteorological phenomenon involving light and water droplets. It's a vibrant tie that binds diverse cultures and beliefs. We hope you had a blast diving into the enchanting world of rainbows, right? Our thrilling journey took us behind the curtain of these natural wonders, unraveling their secrets and exploring the captivating science that brings them to life. Did you manage to soak in those fascinating rainbow facts? Every rainbow you witness is a private spectacle, unique and special just for you right here on Earth. Have you ever seen a full circle or the mirror image of a double rainbow caused by sunlight bouncing twice inside raindrops? And don't forget, rainbows aren't confined to our planet. They might be dazzling on distant planets, moons, stars, and even far-off galaxies. They symbolize peace, unity, and are embedded in numerous cultures and belief systems. So keep your curiosity ignited, guys. The universe surrounding us is brimming with incredible phenomena just waiting to be discovered. So next time you step outside, remember to look up. A rainbow might just be painting the sky, especially for you. How about sharing your unique rainbow or tales with us? We're all ears. And hey, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe. Your support empowers us to unearth more of these awe-inspiring marvels and share them with you. Until next time, keep exploring.